Hi, and welcome to Michelle Creations. Today we are making our bunny mold. So I got this from Temu, and it's a set of bunny ears, and then I just have my paddle draining into this piece here. And then this is the pot, and the ears sit here. So I think it's going to be super cute. We're going to just put this to the side for now and let it finish draining. I have mixed up 8 ounces of resin. I'm sure it's way more than I'm going to need. In the resin, I mixed in our alcohol ink, and this has the rainbow coloring shimmer in it. And I also added some crushed crystal. So I have seen Michelle over at Glitz and Glitter do a pour where she starts with the clear and then she adds a color or two, and then adds more clear, and she gets this gorgeous marble. And that's what we're going to try and replicate today. So I'm just going to take, this is Rolio. I got a pack of 24 different colors. It's their pastel set. I thought would be perfect for Easter. And I've got, this is just a real pretty, it doesn't give me a color, here it is, cyan rock candy, and this one is snowflake. So, and that's what I want. I want a white and I want a light blue, and we're going to marble those, and then I'll paint the ears pink, I think. We'll see. Maybe I'll paint it blue. Maybe we'll get it to match the marbling. I've never used Rolio, so I'm not sure how strongly pigmented it is, but we're sure going to find out. So I'm just going to add, and I want enough for the ears and the pot itself. So we'll put about 2 ounces in here. And put the powder in first. And then you don't have all that fluffing of the powder on the top, making a mess. Oh, we're going to need more. You don't want to, I don't want to be able to see the stick. I want to be an obvious white. So we're going to add some more here. And now I'm going to get floof because I put it on top. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this will be really pretty. Okay, that should be good. And then what she does is she always starts with clear. So we're going to do as she does and hopefully get the results that she does. And this one, remember, has been draining in there for a little bit, so it's already got some. I'm going to go ahead and spray some alcohol on the bottom of this to hopefully prevent some bubbles. And then let's do our blue. And the white. And then back to clear, and we just keep repeating. All right, we're going to let it work its magic. I have, my goodness, maybe half an ounce left here, so that was pretty close. Let's do our little bird. All right, and I'll find a pendant or something to add the rest of this into. And we'll be right back once that cures. All right, these have cured. We have several little extras. Let's do those first. So we have some pretty little hearts. And I poured these just like I poured the rest of this. I poured the clear and then the blues. These are all going to be pretty much the same. Cute. And the last one. And then let's do our little bird. Oh, super pretty. It looks like a cloud. And then this little guy, these are crazy little critters. Sorry, I had to break the seal around it. Let's see, I poured the cat. We'll fill in all the details there. Let's start with the base. And let's spray some stuff down in the mold to help release that seal around there. You'll see it break the seal. Move that liquid around in there. Here we go. Oh, it's still just a little bit warm on the bottom. I think these things are flexible, huh? Oh, baby, roll. There we go. Make sure you fold your molds right side out so you don't ruin them. Especially this one. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I don't see any bubbles. There's just some microscopic ones down here on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Love that. That is so... Oh, I'm so excited to see the ears. These are going to be so cute. Oh my gosh. Does not want to come out of there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is so stinking cute. Oh. Oh my goodness. And there are no bubbles. Even the ledge is clean. Oh, love, love, love that. So now the next thing we can do, if I was an artist, I'd paint a little face on it, but I don't know. I think I kind of like, maybe we should put maybe, I was thinking pink in the ears, but maybe we should, let me see if I have a white marker. I pulled out these three. So to me, bunny ears should be pink on the inside. That's just kind of natural. But if this were a little boy or something, this one wouldn't look bad. I think this is too close to the blue. So I think we're to either the pink or the silver. And I don't want to make it girly, just in case a little boy ends up with it. So let's try this one. We'll see what it looks like. I like it. What do you think? Okay, let's do it. Well, I'm going to give that a couple of coats. I don't think I'm going to do anything with the rest of the jar. I think we're going to leave it just like it is. I love it. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. All right, let me get something out and let's take care of this little thing here. Let's actually do it in the pink. So we'll give it a little pink nose. And let's do pink in the ears. And then let's do brown. I think this is more of like a copper or tan maybe. Yeah. Let's do that for the eyes and the whiskers. That was pretty cute. Super cute. And then we'll just take my Dremel. Oh, it's not a Dremel. My cordless drill. And we're just going to drill a hole right in the top. A handy dandy little vacuum out here. Oops, good. Love that little thing. And then let's put, I'm gonna do that color there. Nope, I didn't even get one. Oh, crikey. And you can put glue on this if you want, but this little guy is still just a little bit soft. So it's gonna finish curing with this around it. And I am perfectly fine with that because that'll be a better bond than any glue will be. And the hearts, you can put magnets on the back of them. You can put a flat back bail on it and make them into pendants. You can do whatever you want to with those. And the little bird, I just leave them as is and give them out, usually as freebies with orders. And there we go. We got our little kitty friend. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I am in love with this mold though. Give me some ideas if there's something that you can think of that you would add to the front of this. Let me know what you think. Let's do another one in pink and yellow and green. Let's do some different colors in this thing. Super cute. All right, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed. If you found value in what we did, please leave us a comment. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It's free to you and it helps us out a ton. And until the next time, we will see you later. Take care. Thanks so much for being here. Bye-bye.